Test video take one. This is my very first video, and what I do is I run mostly diving, scuba diving charters here on the west coast of Puerto Rico. And I do enjoy fishing a lot. I don't do too many charters fishing. Sometimes I make an exception, but it's all about the scuba diving and the snorkeling. So for quite a long time, a lot of people, several people told me, get a GoPro, get a GoPro, get a GoPro. So now I got a GoPro, and I asked myself, what do I do with this thing? So I'm gonna experiment with this GoPro camera and tell you about some things that I've come to know as being hard, fast rules as far as products goes. Things that I stick to because I believe in them. Number one is these Costa sunglasses, Costa Del Mar. Absolutely the best sunglasses for outdoor, especially water activity. Each pair comes with this nice hard case, and you open the case up, and there's a nice little cleaning cloth in there. Back before I had LASIK surgery on my eyes, Costa Del Mar were the ones that I could get the prescriptions made for me for my outdoor activities. And now I own several pairs of Costas, 3 to be exact. I like the blue lens. I like the mirrors. Fits my whole eye socket, durable, rugged, and then with the repair program you can send them in. Another hard, fast rule for me on the water, especially fishing, is Fishworks Clothing. Especially the shorts, the tactical shorts they make with pliers, pockets. They dry fast, they don't stain as easily as other products. And I've stuck with Fishworks for a couple decades now. And I've just, the best product there is. That's why it's easy for me to talk about it and endorse it. And another great product that I use absolutely every single day is S4 Suncare. Now this is the regular sunblock, SPF 30 I believe it is. Yeah, 30, and most importantly it's reef safe. And decades ago I told people about how sunscreen was harmful to the reef, and no one wanted to listen to me. Nobody listens to the turtle. So very important about this S4 Suncare. It goes on thick, it stays on, it doesn't come off until you use soap and water, and just my absolute favorite. So this is the cream that I put on, and then when I'm fishing and I don't want to get sunscreen on the bait, which is very important, I use the stick, and it pops off like this. It's a little roll on, and you apply it to your face and everywhere else, and that way it doesn't get on your hands and you don't touch the bait. And believe me, sunscreen, you put your hands in the bait, well, it's going to affect the bait. It's going to affect the bait, and I would think some stuff's going to downright kill it. Those are my go-tos as far as products. Costa Del Mar, Fishworks Clothing, S4 Suncare. Absolutely, I won't leave the dock without it.